What's up, y'all? Sparta here, and I got my Shield controller here. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing, and I'll do more in-depth impressions vid later today. But I have to hurry up and get to work. So, let me actually do this. Oh, great. We have this damn popcorn in here. I'm trying to not get all of this foam. On my floor. Now let me go back into regular view mode here. No, this is a used controller. It's not brand new. But from the pictures I saw, it's not. Whatever. That feels really cold. Well, it's been out in the cold, but it's a plastic controller. You have your micro USB 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You got your button right there. Little pad right here that's also a track pad. A button. Got your volume up and down with your Shield branding right there. Oh, damn, I probably turned the controller on. Since I'm bringing my tablet with me to test it out, what I'll do is I'll just do a quick test right here, since I'm still at home for the time being. All right, so you scroll down here, Shield accessories. Press and hold on the Nvidia button till it blinks. It's connected. Now you have your let me actually focus. You have your recent apps. Oh, that's actually a play pause button. I think you press and hold the home button for your little mini menu right here, so that you could like live broadcast from Twitch. You can just record a video. So I'm gonna start like recording gameplay from my other channel through this as well. But what I'm gonna do, since I reinstalled Doom, I'm gonna try it out real quick. Let me turn it down so Bethesda doesn't try and copyright claim my video. And this isn't a Bluetooth controller. It's a Wi-Fi direct controller. So it works specifically with the Nvidia Shield. And as you see when I scroll with the trackpad, the mouse cursor comes up. My phone's acting really stupid right now. Let me prop this up on the box. Let's do that and see if that will help. Phone's acting dumb right now. Not even turning flash on. I ain't got much time to be fucking with this. But I'm gonna just go into Doom 1. I'll do a better video on this. I'm just really like, I'm more, testing the waters, as it will, with it. Don't let me in. All right, you press that button, it'll bring you to the Google Now. What? How do I go to recent apps? I know there's a way. Oh, that's your button mapping. You press and hold the play pause button and that'll just bring you to button mapping. And I'll test this out more in depth at work. But right now I actually got to get to work. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry for the bad video quality. It's probably because I have my screen brightness up a bit. But as you guys can see, it works really well. There's little to no like latency on it. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right now and get ready for work because I actually have to get to work. But yeah, that's been it as far as this controller goes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm actually going to disconnect the controller. Oh, that's pretty cool. So when you connect your controller to the Shield, how you do like, firmware updates and all that, it'll just tell you on the tablet that there's a update for it. And it'll just update the controller or any of the accessories that you have. So like say you have the stylus for the Shield, it'll do that too. But this thing don't even want to stay propped, so it's probably... I probably should have used manual mode so that there'd be less noise in the video, but it's whatever. I'm gonna pause it. And the moment I paused it, it finished. But I want to try to figure out how I turn the controller off. Hold on a minute. Okay, you guys, so it just turns off by itself. I just had to make sure. But also in the box, you get your guides and you get a cable as well, which I'm actually going to use. He kept this packaged pretty well, the person that I got this from. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to work. I'm going to test it out at work while I'm on my break or something. It's a pretty long cable. I might actually use this for everything that I have that's micro USB. But yeah, I'm about to get out of here. I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. Show you guys that I got the controller and all that. But this has been Sparta. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one.